Flock of Trent checking in, man. Flock of Trent checking in. You dig what I'm saying? Early morning. Listen. I gotta pump this out today. First and foremost, like, subscribe. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, man. And share it. Send it out. You know what I'm saying? Also go jam my hit song, The Pound Man, on Apple Music, Spotify, iHeartMusic, all that. Flock of Trent, The Pound Man, out on all streaming platforms, YouTube, everything. Replacement. Don't think because you got it on right now that you can't get replaced. At any given moment, you can be replaced. Everything can be replaced at any given moment. There's always somebody looking to get your spot. The job, your husband, your wife, your girlfriend, your boyfriend. Being the favorite sibling, the favorite son, the favorite daughter, the favorite employee. Don't never think your spot just secured just because. You know what I'm saying? Don't never think that your spot is secured just because. Take my hair out my thing. You understand? Don't never think your spot secured just because. Somebody always want that fucking spot, man. Somebody always want that spot, dog. You heard me? Somebody always want that spot. Real rap. Real talk. You feel me? You think just because he a quiet man and he provide, pay bills, get them churn and all that off the bus, stay up late with all that, yeah. You think another woman don't see that? You think another woman ain't sitting there plotting like, damn, I wish a man would treat me like that. Damn, I done gave my body to men who ain't give 2 cents about me. Come on, dog. You think another man don't see your wife? You think another man don't say, damn, man, that's a good woman, dog. She really treating him like a husband supposed to be treated. You taking her for granted? There's always somebody wants your spot. There's always somebody wants your spot. I ain't gonna sit there and say it's somebody who can do it better than you every time. But goddamn it, there's always somebody that wants that spot though. Always, man. It never fails, man. It never fails. And it's never gonna fail. On the job too. A lot of y'all get complacent with these jobs, man. A lot of y'all get complacent with these 9-to-5 jobs, warehouse jobs, careers. And you one mistake away from them folks ruining your life. So always have a backup. Always have a backup plan. And never put too much personalism. Never put too much personalism. Y'all see I'm trying to block that sun with my head, with my dreads and shit. Never put too much personalism, dog. Never put too much personalism, you heard me? In the ultimate goal. And never put too much of your heart. Don't put all your heart in things that can be replaced. Because then when it's time for them to be replaced, you're going to be shattered. You're going to be shattered. You're 100% going to be shattered. Some people don't shake back. But like I said, a lot of these jobs, and even out my entrepreneurs, don't think your customer gonna be loyal to you just because they shopping with you. They shopping with you. They shopping with whoever providing the best service, man, or got the services at that time. You run out and they need what they need, they going to somebody else. You can be replaced. Everybody can be replaced. Understand that. You can be replaced no matter how long your run was. You can have a good run, revamp, come back, and bam, replacements. Replace him. Replace her. Get him out of there. Yeah, man. Get him out of there, man.